the 2016 to the 2017 Hellcat come with just the SRT badge. That look too similar to the SRT 392. I know it don't have fog lights on it, but still, you know, I like how the 18s and up got this badge right here. So you simply just get something behind it, just pry it up and then pop out. So you just gonna really and truly just gonna press it in. It's really simple. You just press it in now. Just be careful so you won't break no clips. You know, boom. That's how it look. I'm gonna push all the way in, but that's how it look. Look way better than that one on the ground, but that's it really. You know, it was worth about 60. I think it was like 65 bucks. It was worth it though, and it's OEM too, as you can see. So I'm gonna show y'all that shit. It's right here. That's how you know it's OEM, right? So OEM, this is a part number. I don't think it's a part number, but shit. This is. If y'all want the link, let me know if you got a 16 to 17 Hellcat. All right, y'all.